In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Jobber subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to explore other tools or simply taking a break, the process of canceling your Jobber subscription is straightforward. Let's dive in and navigate through it together, step by step, for a hassle-free experience. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Jobber and hit enter. You should see Jobber's official website appear at the top of the search results. Click on it to be redirected to their main page. Next, if you haven't already, log into your Jobber account. You'll see the login option in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and access your account. If for some reason you're new to Jobber and find yourself needing to sign up, the option will be there. But since we're focusing on cancellation, let's proceed under the assumption you already have an account. Once you're logged in, observe the top right corner where you'll notice a small gear icon. This icon is typically used to indicate settings or account options in many applications. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Billing. This is where you'll find all the critically essential details regarding your subscription and current billing plan. On the Account and Billing page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Cancel Your Subscription. It's usually positioned in the bottom right corner. If at any point you can't locate it, take a deep breath and patiently scroll back up or double-check other sections to ensure you haven't overlooked it. Now, you should see the Cancel Subscription button. Give it a click. Doing so will prompt a drop-down menu asking for the reason for your cancellation. Choose the option that best describes your situation. It helps companies understand customer needs better, though the choice here won't affect your ability to cancel, so pick the most accurate option for you. For those on a free trial, note that your trial will naturally expire without the necessity of any further actions on your end. This means you don't need to go through the cancellation process unless you've moved beyond the trial period and into a paid subscription. And there you have it, a seamless way to cancel your Jobber subscription. This guide ensures that you can proceed with confidence, whether you intend to return to Jobber in the future or you're moving on for good. If you encounter any issues along the way, reaching out to Jobber's support team can offer additional clarity and help resolve any unexpected problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.